possible we're making a bigger flat there for upside. Gold, pretty much the same thing. We broke the top. We might start to get a sell set up here. Okay, we were putting this. I hope nobody got tagged in that. I think we were putting that during the news event or something. I don't know. But if you got tagged, I hope you got out because you had a lot of hours to get out, right? So it didn't go. Let's say you got tagged in the first one. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get out of it, right? It doesn't go anywhere. This is a good example of what I'm saying also, right? So let's say you had your entry order under there. And let's say you had your entry order there and you got tagged in the very first candle that came down this one, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 hours is not going anywhere. Guess what? We have a rule. Take it off. Take it off and put the entry order under that one. So when you take it off, you move your entry order to this level. Why? Because what if this is another flag and then it drops? You still want the trade, right? You're still expecting it to go down. But now you're safe. You're not going to be living through that pullback that it makes there. I think that is a pullback. We can still expect more correction here. I don't think this is going to take off. So you can look for a trade in the breakout here now. You don't need an entry order. You can take the breakout. Now, if that is making an A, B, C, or a 1, 2, 3 between the WXY structure, it's a good sell. Still look for the sell setup. It's more of a correction, but you can still take the sell. Even if it does something like this, and you get a break even on the sell there. But this is a bigger flag. I think you could get a bigger move down. Euro has made a new high. So if you had your entry order there, you did well. Because remember, it was at the top here yesterday, and we wanted it to come back here and make a flat, and then you can get the trade. Well, that is what happened. So you end up with a flat here, and then you get a new high. The big thing about this one is, are we going to go tag that top? Not this top, sorry, the bigger top. You look at this whole structure going up, right? Let's start from here. We go to the weekly. This entire structure going up. Once we tag that top, we're still expecting this to come back here, make a bigger three-wave structure. Now, if they break that top, the only thing I think that might change from that is, I don't think we will take this as the impulse going, because you can see that's not impulsive, right? These are more impulsive moves than that. So we have divergence here. If they break the top, we will get divergence here, and we'll get divergence in all time frame. So if they break the top, the only thing we'll probably look for is whether it's making a running flat after that. I will look for a possible running flat and then the upside. So let's go back to it in the daily. I'm still not expecting them to break the top. As you can see, if they break the top, we will have divergence between this here and whatever is happening here. And we might even get internal divergence here on the daily. That is between this one and this one. So if you go into 4 hour, we're checking to see whether we have 4 hour divergence, which I think we have. Come on. The 4 hour divergence confirmed the internal divergence on the daily. And you're looking for divergence in here, which you might get. It's not confirmed this end because this is not falling. But you can see we're not breaking this top here too. So we might end up with internal divergence there. It's going up. Let's see how far. If you're in the buy, you're doing well. You might want to move into profit already because, you know, there's no guarantee of how high this could go. We want to see this piece start to make some divergence. So you want to see this go here, make a pullback, go make divergence there, and then you can start to look for the fall. So we have daily divergence, we have 4 hour divergence. We're looking for the 1 hour divergence now. The 1 hour divergence has to be within the last move up. We don't have any divergence there. So what you would want this